Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing about creating a Ballard light fixture, which is a side component, one of the side component that we will be discussing. And with that, when you see that this is the light fixture family category, we selected a template which is light fixture, and with that I have an image which is inserted in the front view, which is going to be a simple revolve family. For a beginner it will be very easy to learn, but we are making a light fixture for a beginner. And do let us know if you need for your project, if you need any families that is need to be created, because we may have to end up creating hundreds of families for a project. So with that, let's start a revolve option in Revit family, and you can draw the shapes that you needed along the lines of the image that we have. Basically, we can go ahead with a 3 point something like this, and then we can go ahead with the line, and which is going to be straight and inside and straight line. As you know, this part is that there are two parts in this, where you can have the glass part as separate family and the internal part as separate family that you can manage. If you wish, you can have them as a separate revolve also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the um, part as separately, um, as individual part, one part, and I can have an axis line like this. So what I'm going to do is now the whole object is created, and with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another copy and paste in the same place. And there are different ways that you can do it, and this is one of the way that I follow. If you wish, you can do it as extrude also, it is also possible. And trim and extend. So this is a whole space that we have here, and I can delete this part, the other part. And if it is need to be glass, what we can do is we can make this as a solid thin line also in the revolve, which makes us to understanding that it is a solid object. But for a LOD 200 level detail, this is enough for us to do it. And here we don't need this objects to be created, and we can do the trim and extend in this portion. And also we can have a line for the top portion as well, and we can make it something like this. Now we have two objects, closed object and one axis line on the same place. Now if I go to the 3D, and we will be able to have two object, one object in the middle like something like this. And going back to the front, and we can draw the shape on the same revolve. What we can do is we can create a copy of it, and so that we don't have to draw the same shape over and again. The axis line, we can ignore it. Now what we can do is we can simply draw the shapes that we see. I'm just drawing this shape that I needed, and I'm going to make this as trim and extend and close this shape. To make it more smooth, you can make the object as smooth lines also, it's also possible. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a multiple copy here, a couple of copies for that uh, shapes that we have. Make sure that it's not overlapping each other, and copy. If we have a proper drawings, we will be able to make that a proper object in this place. For now, this is enough for us to have the shapes, and with that finish this. And now we have in 3D the actual object. We can go ahead and apply the material as glass, so that we will be able to see the inner portion of this, and we can have a glass shape. and I can go ahead and make sure that it is assigned. It's not. I think we have a bug in 2026 when we are selecting the material, it is not applying the first time. I have seen it a couple of times now. And for this revolve and the internal portion also, if it is needed, we can have a solid black color. Let me go ahead and rename this as black, and apply the same material that we have from here. And the inner portion also, we can have it as silver lining if it is needed, but for now I'll have it as black. And this lighting source is locked on the other side. uh, Make sure that it comes inside the Ballard light like this. And once it is done, you have a property of this light fixture, and you can assign those here details, the photometric light details. Also, the light details it needs to be assigned by the requirement. It can be a sphere, or it can be round. Also, the properties IES file also depends on that. Also, you can define it. Do let us know if you need any specific requirement. We have done multiple family light families for in our channel. And electrical connector also need to be assigned, and we can have them under the space or the any space that we needed. Let me place it on the face, and I can go ahead and select it, and I can apply the voltage or voltage parameter that is need to be applied for that. So it's done. And also watts, we can say 20 power factor, and any other parameters needs to be filled, you can fill it up with that. So once it is done, you can save and have that family ready for your usage. Also, it is remember that you are using the site. You may have to have always vertical option unticked. Some of the elements will have a sloped value. It depends on that. How do you want to place them? So that's it for this tutorial. Do let us know if you need any specific families in the bimmodeler.com. We will be able to give it, make it for you. Do share it with your learning friends so that they learn family also. With that, we also get benefited out of this, and we get to know more subscriber if you're not subscribed to Big Model channel. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.